John. Now, will you please welcome Santa Claus?
Oh, no! I completely forgot. I was supposed to be dressing up as Santa.
Oh, then who's that?
Merry Christmas, everyone! Ho, ho, ho!
Up here, Santa. Don't forget me.
Is there a Bob the Builder here?
Yes, that's me.
This is for you.
How on earth? It can't be. It isn't.
It is. Merry Christmas, Bob.
Tom! It's you! It's really you! But what, I mean, how did you?
It's a long story, Bob.
Oh, and I haven't even bought any presents.
Nothing's new.
Oh, don't worry, Bob. It's all taken care of.
We can all have a real Christmas now.
Thanks, Dizzy. Thanks, Wendy. Well, thanks, everyone. This really is going to be the best Christmas ever!